What's up everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's a devlog video of a game that I had to make for school. It's actually a game that I had to remake, so it's an existing game called Trifox. You'll see the logo here on screen. And I had to remake it for my school assignments, and yeah, you'll see the process that I went through in this video, and then yeah, I hope you like it. I tried to put a little bit of effort in the making of the video, so hopefully you guys like the video. Be sure to watch until the end because I will be making another announcement for the next upcoming video, which will also be a pretty awesome announcement, I'm gonna say myself. And yeah, I hope you enjoy. Alright, so before we get into the devlog, I want to show what the original game is about. This is Trifox. Basically, you start off as this professor kind of guy. You have all of these abilities, as you can see in the UI here on the left. Like I have a propeller, I can fly, I have a gun, which I can shoot with. And the player is always looking at this blue magic ball. As you can see, he can jump around. He can place a turret down that will look at enemies and shoot fire, which is a really cool effect. I can place mines down, and then if I go stand on them they will explode and I get damaged. As you can see on the left, my health went down. I also can place a wall, and I think that's it for this chapter. There's also more chapters, but for the sake of keeping it short, I will only develop this chapter because it's also my favorite chapter. Then yeah, maybe I'll show you a bit of the gameplay. So here are some chests, you can shoot them and they will explode, like they will break, and there's coins in them and there's health bars in them, or like health potions. So this is a health potion, and as you can see my health refills on the left, so it's really cool. And I also have a coin counter here on the top left of the screen. Okay, so I made a character controller really quickly and slapped on a little mouse controller that makes the player always look at the mouse position in the world space. Once the player movement was done and the player was always looking at the mouse position, I made his gun. Okay, no, but seriously, just like in the game, when you hold the left mouse button, the gun shows up and he starts shooting, and when you release the left mouse button, he actually stops shooting. Okay, so next I wanted to create the hovering movement of the propellers. In this video you can see how I made it using a rigid body, but I actually use a character controller in my game, so I had to do some quick maths to come up with this solution, and it looks like this. It's not really fluent, but it'll do for now since it's the ID that counts. I also made the fire rate adjustable in the editor, so it's now very easy to adjust the fire rate of the minigun. Okay, so now that we got the main character mechanics and the character movement ready, we can now start on making buildings that we can place down, like in the game, as you have seen in the beginning of the video. So I modeled some stuff like a turret, a wall and a mine, and you can now place them all down with the correct controls like in the game. I made some spikes in Maya and made it so that when you touch them, an animation starts playing, that they go down into the ground and then spikes pop out, so you still have a little bit of time to actually run away from the spike, just like in the game. After all of this was done, I made some crates that react to physics and you can also shoot them. The gun automatically aims towards the crates if your mouse is actually on the position of the crates, so that's a really easy feature, and it's also in the real game, so it's pretty cool. You know what else is pretty cool? If you liked the video right now and subscribed, it really helps me out a lot with the YouTube algorithm, and it makes me happy to see you guys enjoy my videos. Alright, but without further ado, let's get right into the video again. The last thing I did was make a little red crab and a coin counter. You can also see that I have some health potions made here. They come out of the chests, and also coins come out of the chest. As you can see, there's an enemy moving towards me. This is like a crab, like in the game, and when he's very close to me, he starts playing a little attack animation that I made in about 5 minutes. You can see it. Yeah, right now he pushes me forward if he's close to me, but I'm gonna try and fix that. But yeah, this is where I'm at right now. So right now I'm actually making the real map like in the game. So I already have this little bridge. You can also see that my mouse indication has a little particle system attached on there. So there's like little particles coming from there. That's really cool. Yeah, so you can see the scrub standing there. The secrets going to the left thing is here. There's crates that you can collect. And there's a coin here, and you can see when I pick it up, it actually adds to the counter on the top left. And yeah, this is what I'm working on right now. In the next video I will give a bigger update on this. Hopefully by then this game is actually finished. And I will actually be able to let you guys maybe play it. I don't know if I'll be able to do that, but that'd be really cool. So yeah. Okay, so now for the announcement that I said I was going to make at the end of the video. It's a pretty cool announcement, if I say so myself. So on this channel I've already made a little bit of like Unity games, and I've always made Unity games on this channel. But I actually wanted to go and make a devlog on one of my Unreal games, which I also have to make for school. So that's the big announcement that I was talking about. I am actually going to make a devlog about the game that I'm making in Unreal. I'm not gonna tell you what it is about, but it's a pretty cool concept, I think myself, and I hope you guys will also like it. Okay, but without further ado, this is the end of the video. Thanks for being here. Subscribe, like, do all of that good stuff. Maybe even leave a comment. I will be very happy to respond. And see you in the next one.
Did I see